We are pleased to show you the 2025 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.